Class 7th, Subject Mathematics. Chapter 12. Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 12.2. Let's see, children, what is algebra. This branch of mathematics generalizes the facts in arithmetic. In the language of algebra, letters along with numbers and operation symbols are used to create expressions. As children, in the previous video, I discussed about algebraic expressions, parts of algebraic expression, and like and unlike terms. So let's see again what are like and unlike terms, so that it will be convenient for you to do the regrouping of the digits in the given questions related to the exercise. Like terms, two or more terms having the same literal coefficient. Literal coefficient here means the variables. So x square is the literal coefficient over here. All the terms given over here have x square as the literal coefficient, like 3x square minus 7x square and 1 by 4x square means these are similar terms, like terms. Not dissimilar terms means unlike terms. As the name itself suggests, the terms having different or unlike literal coefficient, like here 4x and 5x square are there. So x and x square are the literal coefficient of the given terms, but these are different. So these terms will be considered as unlike terms. Let's see question number 1. Here are 6 parts given. Some of the parts we are going to discuss here. Before the discussion of these questions, let us see how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. So first step in the addition or subtraction, add or subtract the numerical coefficient of similar terms only, means we are going to regroup the terms into like and unlike terms, and then we are going to do the calculation. Step 2, affix the corresponding literal coefficient. For example, 5x square y plus 8x square y. Here you can see the literal coefficient is common in both the terms. So we are going to add only the constants 5 and 8 in one bracket and take literal coefficient as common. 5 and 8 makes 13 and answer will be 13x square y. Example 2. Here are number of variables and constants are given along with the symbols of operation, that is addition and subtraction. The example is 4x minus 3y plus 5x minus 8x plus 7y minus 9y square. So like terms we are going to group together and unlike terms we are going to group together. Here unlike term, if you see, it is only minus 9y square. So 4x plus 5x and minus 8x will be taken together in one bracket and x will be taken as common. So 4 plus 5 minus 8 makes 1x. This 1x means x only. Now see the middle one. Here it is minus 3 plus 7 in one bracket and y is common. So minus 3 plus 7, as you remember the rules of integers, minus plus minus, but positive sign will be there. So plus 4y will be the sum. Now next is minus 9y square doesn't have any pair, so it will be copied as it is. So plus minus will be minus 9y square. Final answer will be x plus 4y minus 9y square. So let's start with question number 1 now. Simplify combining like terms. When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. You have already learnt about factors of algebra. So let's proceed with the solution. All like terms together, 21b plus 7b minus 20b will be in one bracket, minus 32 will be outside bracket. Now we will take b as common and constants will be added and subtracted. So 21 plus 7 makes 28 minus 20 and outside the bracket minus 32. Left over is 8b minus 32. As you can see that these are unlike terms, so this will be considered as final answer because this is the last step. Second part, minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. As we are going to again combine the like terms and simplify the question. 7z cube is having the highest power, so it will be written at first plus like terms together in the bracket minus z square plus 13z square plus minus 5z minus 15z. Now in the next step, 7z cube plus z square will be taken common and 13 minus 1 means 12 plus z minus 5 minus 15 makes minus 20, and then in the last step it will be z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Fifth part, 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus 8 plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Here also like terms will be taken together. So let's see. 5x square y plus 3xy square minus 5x square plus x square minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square. X square y will be taken common. 5 plus 3 will make 8. Then x square will be taken common in the bracket minus 5 plus 1 means minus 4. Then plus y square in the bracket minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 means minus 7 plus 8x square y. 8x square y minus 4x square minus 7y square plus 8xy square will be the required answer. Now next part is sixth part. Here are two brackets given with the sign of subtraction, children, here. So if the sign of subtraction is there before the bracket, so when we are going to open it, definitely all the sign within the bracket will change. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus. Always remember. So let's start the solution. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y plus y square plus 4. You can see that when we opened the bracket, we have changed the sign. Now like terms will be together, and in the third step you can see y square in the bracket 3 plus 1, that makes 4, plus y 5 minus 8 means minus 3, plus and minus 4 will be cancelled means 0. The final answer will be 4y square minus 3y. Now question number 2, children. Here are 10 parts given. We have to add and show the solution. In the previous one we were simplifying. Here we are going to simply add. So let's see the first part. 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn minus 4mn. If you observe, here are all like terms and we have to add. Simply we are going to add the symbol of addition here. But remember, when there is negative sign, so plus minus will become minus. Here you can see plus is before the bracket of minus 5mn. So plus minus will be minus 5mn in the next step. Similarly, plus minus 4mn means minus 4mn. Then mn will be taken common and all the constants will be within the bracket. 3 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. So 11 minus 9 multiplied by the mn. Then 2mn will be the required answer. Let's see the next part, that is second part. Here t minus 8tz, this is a binomial term. 3tz minus z, these all are binomial terms, z minus t. So here also we are going to add the like terms together. So you can see that in the third step, t minus 8tz plus 3tz minus z plus z. Minus z plus z means it will be 0. T minus t again 0. What will be left? 5tz, that is negative. So in seventh part, again we are going to solve in the similar manner. Children, kindly observe the solution and try to understand, as you will be given homework for some of the parts, and do in the same way as it has been explained to you here, like grouping of like terms together and then solving with the different modes of operations. Now 10th part, you can see here is the group of trinomial terms. Again the pattern will be similar. All the like terms will be taken together and then we are going to solve it, right? Solution is lengthy, so it's been divided into two parts here. 3 steps have been shown in this slide and remaining 4 steps have been shown in the next slide, means this one. Now see question number 3, children. Here we have to subtract. 8 parts are given and we are going to solve the questions now. First part, y square minus 5y square, right? So it will be y square plus 5y square minus plus. Answer will be 6y square. Similarly, second and third part will be solved. Now seventh part, 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square with the subtraction sign in the middle, and we have to solve it with the bracket of 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. So all like terms together we are going to arrange 3ab plus 7ab minus 2a square minus 5a square minus 2b minus 5b square. Pattern is similar, 10ab minus 7a square minus 7b square. Now fourth question, children. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Children, only the difference here is earlier you used to study about integers. In these types of questions are asked. Here you have to calculate along with the algebraic expressions. Let us assume p be the required term. You can assume as any other variable being used over here except x and y, right? So p plus x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 2x square plus 3xy. Now we are going to shift the bracket of the left hand side towards the right hand side, and the sign will be negative. As negative sign is outside the second bracket, all the sign within the bracket will change. So 2x square plus 3xy minus x square minus xy minus y square, like terms together, and we are going to get the answer as x square minus 2xy minus y square. Now B part, what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16? Let us assume x be the required term. Then 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus x is equal to minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Now x will be taken towards the reverse side, and 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. 2a plus 8b plus 10 plus 3a minus 7b minus 16, as bracket has got opened up here. So 2a plus 3a makes 5a, 8b minus 7b means b, and 10 minus 16 means minus 6. So this is the required answer. So the value of x will be 5a plus b minus 6. Only the difference is of digits over here, children. Otherwise the pattern of solution is similar as that of a part. Question number 5. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20? Let a be taken away. Let us assume a as the number to be taken away. Therefore 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus a is equal to x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. This result we want, so it will be after equal sign. A is equal to, bracket will be subtracted, first bracket will be subtracted by the second one. Okay, so 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 plus x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 20. Always remember, children, if the sign of minus is placed before the bracket, all this sign will be changed when the bracket will be opened, like you can observe here in the third step. Now grouping of like terms together, 3x square plus x square minus 4y square plus y square plus 5xy minus 6xy. At the end, plus 20 and minus 20 will make 0. So here in the beginning, 4x square minus 3y square minus xy is the required expression. Children, be very careful with the change of signs. Now, sixth question. From the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y and minus 11. Subtract. Whatever will be the sum of these two, we have to subtract it from 3x minus y minus 11. So let's see the first step, that is sum of these two. The sum will come out as, we'll get 3x minus 2y, and then we are going to subtract it with minus, with the bracket of 3x minus y minus 11. So like terms together, and we will see that 3x minus 3x makes 0, minus 2y plus y means minus y, plus 11 will be copied as it is. So this is the required solution. Question number 4, B part. Now let's see the sum of 4x plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. So 2x square is the highest order of literal, so 2x square will be copied as it is, minus 4x plus 3x plus 9. Minus 4x plus 3x means minus x. So the sum will be 2x square minus x plus 9. Now the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. So it will be 3x square minus 5x minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Final second sum will be 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now we have to subtract both these terms. 2x square minus x plus 9 bracket close minus 2x square minus 3x plus 5. We will rearrange the like terms together. So it will be 2x square minus 2x square, 3x minus x plus 4 here. Why? 9 minus 5 makes 4 and minus x will be copied as it is. It is the unlike term. So the final answer will be 2x will be cancelled by 2x. Then 3x minus x means 2x plus 4 is the required expression. Thank you children for watching the video, and exercise is over. Do your work neatly.